Hello YouTube, I am back. I know it's been a while. I think it's been a month and some change. I said, I think in a previous video that when I do come back, I'll do the Kazuma Kaneko video, but it's been a while and I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I am not dead, but I wasn't going through anything. I was just in a moving process that took a while, and I just needed time to settle in. I got into this place at December, but I needed a week or two to put stuff in the room. So there's that. Again, I said I was gonna do the Kazuma Kaneko video as the next video, but again, I wanted this video to let you guys know that I am here. I still function, I still do this, I still make videos, and I still do art. It's just that I haven't been uploading on my Instagram either, nor my Patron, which I feel, nor my Twitter actually, now that I think about it. I haven't uploaded anywhere except technically Instagram stories, where I just put snapshots of my life. If you want to see my personal life, you could just go to my Instagram. I post sometimes on my story if you want to have any proof that I am still functioning and well. It's just that it's pretty busy where I am right now, so I'm going to find time. I'm definitely going to attempt to find time in this busy season, no matter what, because I personally want to get this video done before the year turns over. I'm going to do whatever I can, whether it's before work or it's after work. I'm just going to do a bit of the script and so on and so forth. So there's that. While I'm making this video, I'm also going to be making another video of me unboxing Yonayama Mai's eye illustration art book, except this is going to be the special edition. I recently just got it. I did not open it, and I wanted to open it with you guys since it'd be a nice experience, I think. So yeah, so this video is going to come out first. Next is going to be the unboxing, because I really love this art book. This art book is not only very nice, it was also very expensive, and it has a very nice cardboard cover. So that alone in of itself, I feel like it's reason enough to do a video unboxing instead of just a basic short. So there's that. And you're gonna see like probably a new, I can have now a black desk, so that's gonna be something different. However, I did pre-record a bunch of videos in my old place, so I'll be uploading videos with the white desk that I usually show. So don't be confused. It's just videos I've pre-recorded a long time ago that I'm going to scrummage through, edit, and compile together and upload to YouTube eventually. I don't know when. Eventually. Right now, my main priority is the Kazuma Kaneko video, since I've been promising that for a while. Persona 3 Reload is coming out soon, so yeah. So what better timing than to look at another fellow Atlas artist than the release of the Persona 3 remake. So yeah, there's that. Again, this is going to be a pretty short video. I'm not going to ramble too much. Again, the whole point of this video was to let you guys know that I am okay, and also trying to let the YouTube algorithm know that I still function, although the damage is probably done. I think YouTube just will not, it's gonna take one hell of a video and a consistent upload schedule for YouTube and its dreaded, beloved algorithm to finally look my way again. Did you just catch in season 2 anime drops? I think people have been seeing that artist analysis as of late, since and the anime and the manga is pretty in a pivotal point, so I think that's attracting people to my Gege Akutami artist analysis. So I guess that's good. I still have some bits of relevancy, I think. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video, comment. I feel like I don't respond to I definitely don't respond to comments anymore. I'm sorry. I might actually go back to doing that. I feel like it's more nice to build a genuine connection with my fan base. So comments, I might start commenting more or replying to comments on my comment section. Like the video, I hear that does something to the video, like pushes it in the algorithm's face. Subscribe, that is a very cool thing to do. I'm told the number, it goes up, and the higher the number, well, I don't know what that means. I guess the higher the number I get, the cooler I am. I don't know. So yeah, subscribe. You can follow my social media links in the description. And yeah, Patreon, I'm going to do something about it. If anything, use it. If you want to donate, that would be nice. Donate the small amount. Use it as a means to support me financially for now. It's just, it's so busy doing this, 2 jobs, and other stuff on top of that. I'm so sorry, but I will get on top of it. Trust me. I will just have to buckle up and lock in, and it's gonna happen. Anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.